Okay, we are live. It's about time. So I think this is working now. Let's hope. Just getting started over here, everybody. I want to make sure this is working. We got 2 viewers in here so far. Test, test, test. How do I sound? Can you hope everything sounds okay? I'm going live for the first time on YouTube. I'm going to talk about cryptocurrency. Let me know if everything looks okay on here on my end. This is my first time doing this. I was having technical difficulties, so that's why I was having a hard time. That's why it took me so long to actually go live. But yeah, let me know in the chat. Sounds good. Does everything look good? Could you read it okay? Everything seems to be in order. Thank you, Brian. Awesome. Okay, now I'm going to simultaneously go live on TikTok and bring everybody over here. Because I want to get this started. Because this is what the people deserve. Okay, so going live on TikTok now as we speak. I don't know what that noise is. Why is that coming? I don't know why I'm getting a weird noise on TikTok. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Brian. For some reason, when I'm going live on TikTok, I'm getting this weird feedback noise now, which I don't understand. That shouldn't be happening. It's so weird. Does everybody else hear that feedback? Why is that coming? Hey, everybody. Does it sound okay now? Thanks, Vince. Hey, everybody. So I am going live on YouTube as we speak. I'm going live on YouTube at the moment. So check out my link tree, YouTube in the description. So check me out. I'm going live on YouTube. I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrency. Going live on YouTube. So everybody move over to there, and you could ask me questions there. And now I'm actually then I'll be able to answer your questions better on there. I'm going to keep it live on TikTok, but I'm only going to be answering questions that are on YouTube. So keep that in mind. Everybody, check out the YouTube at JGash on YouTube. I'm currently streaming live on there. I have everything set up so I could teach you guys how to actually research cryptocurrency, and get going with that. So currently we only have 1 viewer in here. I'm waiting for more. I won't be answering any questions on TikTok today. Hey, Vince. Yeah, this is my first time ever going on YouTube. So, yeah, we got 4 viewers in here so far. JGash makes the cash. Thank you, brother. Yeah, so I'm not going to be answering any cryptocurrency questions on TikTok today. Hey Jeffrey, how you doing? I'm going to be streaming on YouTube. So I got my first YouTube stream going on. I think this is going to be a lot higher quality. You get to see the screen that I'm sharing. So everybody please check out my YouTube channel at jgash. It's in my description, so check it out. What's up, Smokey? What's up, everybody? I'm going to be answering questions on YouTube instead of TikTok today, just to make things a little bit easier. And maybe I could teach you guys how to actually find cryptocurrencies. So thank you, everybody. Sorry for the delay. I want to answer all your cryptocurrency questions, but please go to my YouTube channel at jgash. What's up, Jeff? Jgash makes cash, baby. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. I got 4 viewers so far. I need to get this. I need to get this a little bit higher at least. The link is in my TikTok description, Smokey. It's in my TikTok description. Yeah, Vince, we can look at Polk and Chainlink. All right, let me just get the viewer. Let me just get a few more viewers in here, and then we could get started. I also I want to be able to like perch up my phone. People on TikTok, can you answer me? Can you still hear me if my phone's up like this? Can you still hear me? So Smokey, the link is in my TikTok description. It's just jgash on YouTube. Can you guys still hear me on TikTok? Okay, perfect. So everybody can still hear me. Awesome. So please go to my YouTube. I'm going live on there. We got 4 viewers on here so far. We're going to get started really soon. So check out my YouTube. We got 8 viewers. Hey, Chris. Hey, everybody. This is awesome. Okay, we got 8 viewers on YouTube so far. Awesome. Thank you, everybody. We got 8 viewers currently on YouTube. We're gonna get started. We could. I'm gonna only be answering questions on YouTube. So if you want your questions answered, please please go to my YouTube. That would be incredibly helpful to me. I want to start getting my YouTube career going. So yeah, TikTok just doesn't make it easy for me to actually talk about crypto in a way because I want to actually be showing my screen. Hey, J-Man. Yep, so I'm going to be only responding to people who go to the YouTube chat today because it's just going to make things a little bit easier for me. Hey, everybody, we've got 8 viewers in here so far. Can we run it up to at least 20? If we get 20 people in the live stream on YouTube, then I'll get started. 20 people. So my YouTube, if you don't know, is jgash on YouTube. Everybody rally here. Hey, Hawk. Hey, Chris. Life Short. Hey, everyone. So yeah, I'm going to be answering as many questions as I possibly can on YouTube. So we got 9 people so far. I want to get at least 20 before we get started, and then I'm only going to be answering questions on YouTube itself. So yeah, just please, everybody, come over to YouTube. Hey, Luis, so I'm going to look up Omi just for you. I actually never looked at it before. So hey, everybody, thank you for joining my TikTok stream. I'm going to be going live. I'm live on YouTube right now. So if you want to join on, please visit my YouTube channel at jgash. It's in my description. We got 14 people in here now. This is awesome. Okay, let's run it up a little bit more. And once we get 20 people in here, I'll get started. So once we get 20 people, I'll start. Set up a regular time on YouTube and post daily updates on TikTok when you will blow up. Yep, you're right. I gotta have a regular scheduled time. That's absolutely correct. Life's kind of crazy, so I'm trying to do that as well. I could explain ERC20 tokens, yeah, but you got to join my YouTube. You got to join the YouTube gang. So if anybody's interested in watching me on YouTube, it's jgash on YouTube. I'm streaming live on there currently. We got a lot of people in the chat. So we got 14 viewers right now. I want to get started when we get to 20 viewers. I'm going to stay live on TikTok while I'm speaking, but if you want to get the most experience out of this, I recommend viewing me on YouTube, but I will stay live on TikTok as well. So we got 17 viewers right now on YouTube. I want to get at least 20 before I get started, and then I'll start answering everybody's questions. So, you know what, J-Man? I'm actually going to be looking into. I'm going to be looking into Safe Moon again. I'm going to be looking into it again because people keep telling me I did wrong on that. So, hey, Matt. Yeah, sorry about the Zoom as well. So I actually decided to cancel the Patreon. Everybody, my YouTube is JGash. Yeah, sorry. Sorry about the Zoom. So the reason I didn't want to do the Zoom is because I thought it wouldn't be fair to you guys because so I got 10 people very quickly for the Patreon and it would be in a group setting and I feel like I wouldn't be able to give everybody the attention that they deserve, especially for paying me. I'm gonna try to come up with a new way of actually doing like a Patreon or something. But at the moment, right now, it's just I'm just gonna be doing YouTube streaming for now, and then in the future I'll try to do something. But yeah, sorry about the Patreon. You weren't charged any money or anything, so yeah, apologies for that, everybody. But yeah, so if you want to support me at all, you could donate to me on YouTube or just watch me. That's cool too. I love interacting with all you guys. So we got 21 people now on the YouTube. And for anybody who doesn't know, my YouTube is JGash. For anybody on TikTok, okay. So we got 21 people in here. So let me go through the list. I'm going to answer every single one of you as best as I can, and then we can get started. So if one more thing on TikTok. So my YouTube is JGash. Check me out. Currently live streaming on there. So we got 27 people in here. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, I'm liking this number. So can we look at Polk and Chainlink? Maybe some comparisons. Okay, let's look it up. So Polkadot, aka Dot. Let's pull up Chainlink, my favorite coin in the world. So we look at Polkadot. So what do you guys want to know about Polkadot? So if we look at the website, you go, let's read about it. So I can kind of try to explain what's actually going on with Polkadot. So Polkadot development is on track to deliver the most robust platform for security, scalability, and innovation. So okay, I like the looks of that so far. Now, obviously, I know Polkadot's an established coin, and I know they have a good team behind it, but we want to actually see what's going on with this cryptocurrency itself. So, and you guys want to know what my opinions on it are. So, let's look at it. So, let's go to technology, and then we can look at the light paper and the white paper. So these two documents, for those of you who don't know, are some of the most important things to look at when trying to find a cryptocurrency. So when you're trying to find a cryptocurrency, a lot of coins don't have a light paper, but most of them do have a white paper. So Polkadot has a light paper, which makes it a little bit simpler for people to actually learn about their cryptocurrency, which I actually really like about that. They're trying to make it easier. So they have an introduction, heterogeneous sharding, scalability, upgradability. So we look through this, right? So less trust, more truth. So every day we interact with technologies controlled by a handful of large companies whose interests and incentives often conflict with our own. If we want the benefit of using their proprietary apps, we're forced to agree to terms that most of us will never read. Granting these companies complete control over the data we generate through each interaction. Because the data can often paint a detailed picture of our personal lives, it becomes a resource more valuable than oil. Okay? Okay, so they're talking about basically companies selling the data. I like what they're talking about so far. Many chains on one network will there eventually be one blockchain to rule them all. All blockchains have different trade-offs. So right now they're just talking about blockchains. So future proof of blockchain. Okay, so I want to kind of see um, connecting the dots. So what are they trying to do? A relay chain, heart of the Polkadot, responsible for network security, consensus, cross-chain interoperability, parachains, sovereign blockchains that can have their tokens and optimized functionality for specific use cases to connect to the relay chain. Parachains can pay as they go or lease a slot for continuous activity. So right now, when I'm looking at this, I'm liking what they're talking about. They're talking about kind of like complicated things. So they're talking about like parachains, relay chains. Like this is all very, very complicated stuff that a normal person wouldn't actually kind of know what to make of it, right? So I'm I'm trying to find like a good example. So a lot of my research kind of involves just a lot of my research kind of mostly involves kind of reading through these and trying to understand them. And just because a coin has a light paper doesn't mean that it's necessarily a good coin. So a lot of coins will put a lot of jargon in there. But I know Polkadot's a very established project. I'm trying to find the actual use cases. So if you don't know, if you can't find the use cases, just Google it. Let's see what they actually. So what is Polkadot? So let's look at Medium. So Medium's another good option when you're looking at cryptocurrencies. So they're trying to say, let's see, mind-blowing potential project. One of the strongest competitors of Ethereum Polkadot project has a mind-blowing story. Okay, so Polkadot, so basically it's its own network. So it's a next generation blockchain protocol. Okay. Ethereum is kind of bloated and small. Well, it's large, but it's slow. That's small. Polkadot history. It's originally released in 2016. So another good indicator that it's a good coin is that the team's public. So if the team's anonymous and they don't actually show their faces, you kind of already could tell that it's not real. So you can kind of tell it's a scam from there. Overall, I mean, this coin's great. It has right now the growth has been absolutely insane this year. If you look at the chart, it started at like $4 like in October, and now it's at like trading at $40. It seems like if you look at their Twitter profile, they have a ton of followers, which is a good sign. They probably have a lot of interactions. You gotta see what they're actually trying to release. Like see like what's in their pipeline, see what they're trying to do. So everybody on TikTok, by the way, if you don't know already, I'm live on YouTube. So check my YouTube out at JGash. So JGash on YouTube, check me out, everybody. So I'm only answering questions on there. But overall, I mean, Polkadot seems like a great project. Based off the looks of it, I personally would invest in Polkadot. Now, I'm not invested currently, but it does seem like one of the best choices in cryptocurrency. They're trying to compete with Ethereum, which already is a good sign. I like what they're doing. But to talk about basically, I don't want to ramble on too much about Polkadot. So Chainlink is one of my favorite coins, which you also talked about. So Link right now, I hope everybody bought the dip for Link because Link is absolutely killing it today. They got 14%. So one thing that I find incredibly interesting about Chainlink, let me show you guys. So let me go on their Twitter and let me show you their website itself. So they just released the Chainlink white paper 2.0, which really lays down the hybrid smart contract ecosystem, which in my opinion is pretty awesome. So they're trying to bring off-chain transactions into the crypto space itself. So blockchain is basically you can't change blockchain. So so basically with the blockchain, you can't change it whatsoever. That's like the whole beauty of it. And the beauty of blockchain also is the fact it's just not changeable at all. Not at all. And Chainlink wants to take outside interactions from the real world, whether it involves NFT, not NFT, just like transactions, whatever, you name it. They want to bring in that into the blockchain so it can never be changed. So as you can see here, it brings Chainlink price feeds. So Chainlink verifiable randomness backed by on-chain cryptographic proofs, enabling projects like minting NFTs. Proof of reserve, so supplies on-chain data feeds that enable smart contracts to perform on-demand audits. So basically make sure that your data is correct at the moment. So everybody on TikTok, by the way, if you haven't already, I'm live on YouTube. Check out my YouTube at jgash. But yeah, Chainlink is like one of the like best tools like in the cryptocurrency space. So on-chain data and computation, like they're working with like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hyperledger, Polkadot. They work with everybody. They work with Swift. You can look at all of these different all the different partners they have. So if you go like all of these are different articles about like how they're connecting off chain to the blockchain. Basically, they're talking about DeFi itself. It's absolutely awesome. So this is one of the best projects out there. Like this is something you want to look for. Now, when I started actually investing in Chainlink, it wasn't like that whatsoever. But now, like it was a lot more new, and the website wasn't as pretty, but it was like you could just see the potential there, and I thought it was absolutely incredible. So let's keep talking. So thoughts on Omi. So I don't want to just stay on Chainlink. Let's go to Omi. So you just subscribed. Yeah, I want to start talking about coins that I don't know as much, and I want to learn about them. So I will tell you if I like them or not. So currently, Omi is ranked at 119. Okay, that's good. The market cap is a little under a billion, so it's at 750 million. By the way, everybody on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube at jgash, link in my description. So Omi is, let's see what tags they have. So collectibles, non-fungible tokens. Okay, so it's NFTs. Typically, I don't mess with NFTs, but they are a good investment for some people. So right now, this year, it's currently made, wow, 15,000%. So it was created early this year. Volume was really low, and then it just absolutely spiked. Okay, so it's currently on Bit4x. So Bit4x for a lot of people is probably not easy to use. I mean, I personally never used Bit4x. So right off the gate, I wouldn't recommend it to like people who are kind of newer to cryptocurrency. But let me keep looking at it. I'm not saying it's a bad coin. Let me look at the website. So okay, so currently they have premium licensed digital collectibles. So they have a bunch of collectibles, a secure wallet for, I guess, owning your collectibles. So with hundreds of digital assets sold each year, keeping your digital currencies and private keys safe is more important than ever. Okay, so it's a place basically to obtain NFTs. That's what it seems. So it seems like you use that Omni tokens to buy NFTs. That's kind of the message I'm getting. That's kind of the message I'm getting. By the way, we got 36 people in on YouTube right now. Thank you, everybody. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate all of you. So right now, I mean, personally, I wouldn't invest in Omi, but I'm not saying it's a bad investment. I mean, let's look at token metrics. So yeah, so one of the comments actually said, "This is boring. Let's make it more fun." So the thing is, in order to actually find coins that are good in cryptocurrency, typically you have to actually, be kind of boring. I mean, I can try to make it a little bit more fun for everybody, but if I make it more fun, then it's not going to be as informative. So I'm actually trying to get into detail and everything. I could try my best to, be a little bit more entertaining, but let's see. So basically, Omni's being used to begin building for Vivi. So Vivi is their digital marketplace. So NFTs are pretty huge right now, and it seems like so Vivi is basically the entire reason why Omni was created. So basically, Omni was like a coin that was made to raise money. So they wanted to raise 1,500 bitcoins. It's been distributed. So I'm trying to see where can you get Omni token. So it's on Bit4x. Company based in Singapore. Is there anything else on? So white paper. There's no about us, which I don't like, so it seems like they might be anonymous. Apparently, they're saying they're on Uniswap, but when I look on CoinGecko, it's telling me it's not on Uniswap, so I don't know who to trust because I do not see it there. We got 38 viewers in here so far. By the way, everybody on TikTok, go on my YouTube channel. It's Jay Gash. I'm streaming live on there right now talking about cryptocurrencies. So yeah, check me out. The reason I'm live on TikTok as well is because I want to bring more people over to the YouTube community because it's a lot better streaming platform for sure, and it's easier for me to interact with you guys and actually have my screen up. So check me out at JGash on YouTube. We got 99 people in here. Check me out on YouTube, guys. JGash. It's a link in my TikTok description. So I personally wouldn't invest in Omi. It looks like you could make money off it. I mean, it's been doing pretty well. It's in the past 24 hours. Like I'm not saying you can't make money off it, but I personally wouldn't invest my money in it. NFTs aren't anything new. There's a plenty of digital collectible sites. I wouldn't do it, but I wouldn't say you're necessarily going to lose money off it. So we got 36 people on YouTube right now, 102 on TikTok. So welcome everybody on TikTok. If you haven't seen me before, I'm Jay Gash. I'm streaming on YouTube and on TikTok. So the reason I am streaming on both is because I'm trying to bring my TikTok viewer base onto my YouTube. So my YouTube is Jay Gash. I'm going to be answering everybody's questions on the chat. So let's keep looking. Hey everybody, thank you for all the love in here. We hear about the ERC20 token. So yeah, basically an ERC20 token is any token that's based off the Ethereum blockchain. So let me pull it up. What is an ERC20 token? So it's basically it's any coin that's based off the Ethereum blockchain. It's as simple as that. So basically, it's a fork off Ethereum. So Ethereum is like the original creator of like the smart contracts and the well, Bitcoin's the original where you could actually create a fork off Bitcoin. Like Doge is a fork off Bitcoin, but Ethereum does cryptocurrency in a little bit different way. It's a little bit more efficient than Bitcoin. You're able to build an entire ecosystem that interacts with each other on the Ethereum network, such as like using decentralized swapping websites such as Uniswap. So yeah, that's kind of what an ERC20 token is. Yeah, no, I mean the prices for crypto events right now, like they were so good, especially like a day or two ago. They were awesome. So, I mean, it was such a fire sale. I couldn't help myself either. I had to get in. I had to get into action even more. It was just too good. So why does Elon have so much influence? Wreck the market. Yeah, I know. So I'm a huge Elon fan. I'm a big Elon. Oh, sorry everybody on TikTok. We got 104 people on TikTok right now. By the way, check out my YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now as well. So Elon has so much influence over the stock market. He has influence over the crypto market, and he's a billionaire. Like I don't know why he's wasting his time. I don't know why he's wasting his time off the cryptocurrency market. I really don't. It's absolutely ridiculous if you're asking my honest opinion. I mean, it's like I'm an Elon fan too, and he just keeps manipulating the markets. Like I don't know if he's trying to get his friends rich or what, or if he just thinks it's all a game. Like a lot of people are actually losing money right now. I think Elon's the man. I do think Elon's the man, but at the same notion, I think that it really is unfair what he's doing. So I don't know. I mean, like he one time tweeted like, "Oh, I think Tesla's stock is too high," and it crashed. Like that's absolutely ridiculous. So I don't know. I don't like what he's doing. Yeah, you're predicting 150 for Chain by December. I could definitely see it hitting 150 by December. I usually typically don't give price predictions, but for Chainlink, I'll always tell people that it's going over 1,000. Okay, so you know how can you do or know how to link PancakeSwap to your MetaMask? So I can make a video about that. I don't think everybody would want to see that right now. We're doing kind of more like crypto Q&A, but we could definitely get to this. Okay, bro, F these coins, get in on XLM, ADA, Matic, cheap coins going to the moon. So XLM is a great project. So we could pull it up actually. So it's one of the top ones. It's stellar. XLM is stellar for those of you who don't know. And I read a little bit more about Stellar before, and basically it seems like they're trying to create basically a way of network for storing and moving money. I mean, that's what the blockchain is. So Stellar makes it possible to create, send, and trade digital representations of all forms, money, dollars, pesos, Bitcoin, pretty much anything. It's designed so that all of the world's financial systems can work together on a single network. I think that idea is fantastic. I think that idea is absolutely fantastic for Stellar. I with an idea like that, I think they could really go far, in my opinion. I mean, I remember when Stellar first came out, and it's amazing how far they've come since then. So I definitely think it's a good pick. Let's see. I am only trying to answer questions on YouTube. By the way, everybody on TikTok, if you haven't already, please check out my YouTube channel. I'm live streaming on YouTube right now. But yeah, Stellar seems like I mean, Stellar's a great coin, honestly. Like I like if you look at like the documentation, I'm not gonna go into all of it and like read it out to everybody because I think that's incredibly boring. But like if you look at if you look at like what they're actually trying to do in here, I mean, it's kind of complicated stuff to actually explain in layman's terms. But if you're trying to like learn about it, so Intro to Stellar. So I mean, this is a good place to start. So you could just kind of like what I would do if you're trying to research a coin, read about what it's about, and then like if you like the idea what they're trying to do and you actually believe in it, then invest in it. But like just reading over Stellar's um, just website, like obviously you could tell it's like trying to do an amazing thing, and it's like in one of the top market caps. People like it. I typically don't do price predictions. I mean, right now the market cap's sitting at a cool 15 billion, and there probably is a lot of room for growth with Stellar. So I would definitely consider buying it. I would consider buying it as well, honestly. And the thing is too, I mean, it's easy doing crypto research. I mean, it's just a matter of kind of like looking for coins. Now, people keep asking me about popular coins. Now, in the chat, people are asking if you could tell me about what you do for this research for smaller coins. Like, do you guys want me to, in the chat, um, do you guys want me to basically teach you how I find low market cap coins that are like rare, or do you want me to keep talking about coins that you guys keep asking me about? I want to do what the people in the chat want to do. So, everybody on TikTok, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm live right now on YouTube. It's JGash on YouTube. Links in my TikTok description. So, what site should you use for beginners? I would recommend Coinbase. What happened to my Patreon? So, basically, I got rid of my Patreon because I didn't think I could give enough people the attention that they deserved, especially if it kept growing. So that's the reason why I actually decided not to do the Patreon anymore. No, everybody got their money back. I closed the account. No, I don't think anybody even got charged to begin with because the charging cycle was June 1st. So yeah, nobody got charged for the Patreon. I decided to go against it. Everybody on TikTok, if you haven't already, please check out my YouTube channel. I'm live on YouTube right now. We got 35 viewers. So yeah, let's keep going. Talk about what we asked. Okay, so I'll keep going. What's so yes, you want to buy an ERC. So what's the easiest platform to buy it on, Colby? So the easiest platform to buy, actually, well, I kind of skipped a lot of people. I'll go back up, everybody. The easiest place to actually buy ERC20 token is on Coinbase. So a lot of coins, for example, aren't based off the ERC20. Some coins are based off like the Binance Smart Chain. Some are based off Bitcoin, the Bitcoin blockchain. There's a multitude of different coins and the different blockchains that they're actually on. So Yeah, Coinbase would be a good place. Like for example, Chainlink's even an ERC20 token. RSR, one of my favorite picks, is an ERC20 token. So there's plenty of them. You could even probably just like Google like ER. You could probably look up like on CoinGecko like ERC20. If you search it, it just pulls up that. Okay. So maybe you can't actually look up which particular ones are ERC20. Maybe you could actually. Let me look a little bit deeper into that because I've never looked at coins just if they're ERC20. I've kind of looked for them if they have a good use case. Smart contract platform. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything for ERC20 necessarily. But yeah, let me go back up. So we got 35 viewers on YouTube right now. We got 105 on TikTok. So check me out on YouTube. I'm live streaming on there at the moment. So check me out on TikTok. Check me out on YouTube. So let's see. Is AMC gonna rock it? I have no clue. I actually pulled out of AMC a while ago. I didn't want to be involved with that anymore. Cardano. Yeah, let's look into Cardano. So where is Cardano? Cardano, where are you? Okay, so obviously no, we all know that Cardano is a legit project and it's not gonna rug pull on anybody. We all know that. And that's one thing that I typically like to look for, like in a coin, obviously. So I mean, my advice for like researching, like you could pick a lot of these coins such as Cardano, and you're gonna do well with them, especially in bull markets like this, right? So obviously we know Cardano could go high. I don't know the price. I don't know the price point for Cardano itself, but I know it's a good coin. And I know it's a good coin because one, I mean, there's so much backing behind it itself. I mean, if you look at the website, you could look at their roadmap. It's it shows what they're trying to do, like foundation, decentralization, smart contracts, scaling, governance. There's like entire YouTube videos on how like the network works. If you want a good investment, I mean, Cardano's obviously one of them. I think that it's a great coin with a lot of potential. They're trying to be an Ethereum killer. I know that. I don't know if they're actually ever beat Ethereum, but that's basically what they're trying to be. They're also trying to protect data. Um, so that's pretty cool. Like I think they're like one of the most legit projects in crypto for sure. Let me keep going. What are my thoughts on Chia? Okay, a lot of people have been asking me about Chia. A lot of people have been asking me about Chia. So let me get on that right now. By the way, guys, if you don't know, on TikTok, I am streaming on YouTube as well as TikTok right now. So check out my YouTube at jgash. So check me out. So let's check out Chia Coin because a lot of people ask me about it. So which one is it? Is it XCH or I'll check out this one. So okay, I remember kind of looking this up briefly on one of the lives before, but I'm gonna actually like look at the website and tell you guys my honest opinions on it. So right now I'm looking at the CoinGecko. So this is typically the website I like to use when I'm looking at cryptocurrencies. So we're looking at Chia token right now, everybody. So okay, first off, I'm looking at all the exchanges that it's on. So it's on OKEX, BKEX. So it's on a bunch of interesting websites that I've never heard of before or used. So that already is an indicator for me that I wouldn't want to use it or buy it. So it's founded by Bram Cohen. Okay, the inventor of BitTorrent network. Okay, that changes things a little bit. If he is so, then what I do is I Google the founder and let's see if he actually created Chia. Like They could be lying. There's a lot of coins that lie out there. A lot of coins that lie out there, actually. So let's check him out. So let's check out his Twitter. Now let's see if he's promoting Chia. Because you always gotta, like, if you're investing a lot of money into something, you gotta make sure. Okay, so he is doing the Chia project. Okay, but no longer affiliated with BitTorrent. Okay. Probably best to not be affiliated with BitTorrent because there's a lot of illegal activity out there. A new blockchain and smart transaction platform that is easier to use, more efficient, and secure. Okay. So it's a new blockchain network. It was just listed on crypto.com. That's pretty big. Crypto. Okay. I'm liking Chia more. CoinDesk is talking about them. So when people are talking about like when CoinDesk talks about you, that's also, it gives you more reason to actually believe in it. Okay, I'm on their website. You can install the blockchain, download the source code. Okay, so it's all open source. We believe that it should be easier to use than cash, harder to lose, and nearly impossible to steal. I like that. That's one thing that actually kind of defers people from crypto because it is kind of easy sometimes to lose your coins. So, everybody on TikTok, by the way, I'm taking a quick pause. Check me out on YouTube at jgash. I'm live streaming on YouTube right now, so it's a lot more beneficial if I talk on there. You could actually see what I'm looking at instead of just listening to me talk to my monitor. So, yeah, check me out on there. Thank you, everybody. So let's look at this. The green paper. They don't even call it the white paper. They call it the green paper. With academic papers, presentations that give detail about a new consensus algorithm. Now, this is really, they have careers too. Okay, this is looking more and more legit. So, and it's listed on crypto.com now? What rank is this? Where is this rank? I gotta look more into this. Let me see. Sorry guys if I'm focusing too much on this. Okay. Looking to play into Chia crypto. XCH is a crypto craze. Is boosting these 4 stocks. It bolsters demand for hard drives. Why are they bolstering demand for hard drives? This is so interesting. So it's a sustainable blockchain, huh? I mean, I kind of want to read the green paper, but that's going to be kind of boring. They're hiring software engineers right now about. So I don't know any of these investors. Well, who's this? The Angel Philosopher. Never heard of them, but it's good to have investors for sure. FAQ. Let's look at the FAQ. What is Chia? So Chia is the first Nakamoto consensus algorithm since Bitcoin called proof of space and time. It was created by Bram Cohen, the best network protocol engineer alive and the inventor of BitTorrent. Chia Lisp is Chia's new smart transaction language that is powerful, easy to audit, and secure. Reference smart transactions currently available. Okay, guys and girls, so far, I'm actually really liking Chia Coin. I gotta be completely honest. I'm really liking what I'm seeing. I am really liking what I'm seeing. Chia Coin, everybody. And apparently it's on crypto.com now. How does proof of space and proof of time work? Okay, this is even more interesting now. I'm getting into this. Okay, so let's check it out. So guys on TikTok, by the way, if you haven't already, check me out on YouTube at jgash. I'm live streaming on there, so check me out. So proof of space can be thought of as a way to prove that you are keeping some storage of unused on your will seed unused space on their hard disk drive by installing software which stores a collection of cryptographic numbers on the disk into plots. These users are called farmers. When the blockchain broadcasts a challenge for the next block, farmers can scan their plots to see if they have the hash that is the closest to the challenge. A farmer's probability of winning a block is the percentage of the total space that a farmer has compared to the entire network. Proof of time requires a small period of time to pass between blocks. Proof of time is implemented by a verifiable delay function that takes a certain amount of time to compute, but is very fast to verify. Wow. Okay. So this is incredibly interesting. So it seems like you can mine cryptocurrency with your hard drive. So currently I'm checking out Chia coin for anybody who's a new viewer. I'm on YouTube right now. They even created a new programming language for the blockchain. Okay. This is all looking very nice to me. And the trading volume's high. It's at 80 mil, but it's still low. Circulating supply is low. I mean, in the past 14 days, it's done 100%. I like this. This is something that I could get behind. I want to know its rank, though. What's its rank? It's ranked 2,500. Its market cap is only 500 million, but it's not. They haven't verified it yet. This coin seriously has a lot of potential for growth. Chia network. I'm a fan of it. Chia definitely looks like a good pick. Thank you to whoever brought that up to me. It actually looks really cool. You want me to talk about XRP after the lawsuit? Oh, you came from my TikTok from the For You page. Awesome. That's amazing. That is absolutely awesome. Okay, yeah, I am definitely going to look more into this coin. If I was you guys, I would also look more into it. But this is really cool. And I mean, just looking at their Twitter, I mean, their Twitter itself, they're they're letting people buy it on crypto.com, which is like one of like the number one places to buy cryptocurrency, especially for like newbies. So I don't know. I like it. I definitely like it. Okay, so let me keep talking about XRP. So a lot of people want to hear about XRP. So XRP, let's look at the news. I don't know what's new with it, but yeah, definitely check out Chia Coin. It's on crypto.com, everybody. I'm gonna be definitely checking that out. I might throw a few bucks into that now. Actually, that was a good pick. And it seems like a really unknown coin as well. So SEC says XRP holders are no longer friend to the court in case of against Ripple. Okay. I mean, I don't know exactly what's going on legally. I'm no lawyer, so I'm not 100% sure. But what I do know is that if XRP Ripple wins, then the coin's obviously going to pop off, which is no surprise. Um, it's no surprise whatsoever. The easiest platform to buy an ERC20 is Coinbase. Let me see what else. What else do we got going on? You need to check out Trias. Low market cap, low supply. Okay, I'll check out Trias. I like looking at the low market caps instead of talking about the mainstream ones. So let's check out Trias, everybody. Trias, coin, Jurassic period. You guys want to talk about dinosaurs? um, so currently we're at $15. Okay, market cap's 25 mil. Why does it say new? What is that? Is that like it just means it's new? Let me look at CoinGecko if it says that too. Okay, so the two different websites are giving me different prices. That's okay. That's completely okay. It's on KuCoin. So KuCoin is like I've used KuCoin before. It's I personally don't like it the most, but like you could use it. I think it's trustworthy. I want to keep your tokens on there though. If you want my personal opinion, never really keep your money on exchanges. The only exchange I would ever really truly trust is Coinbase. So Trias token. So let's see what they're trying to do. There's only a circulating supply of 2 million Trias coins, which is very interesting. They do liquidity mining, Trias in a nutshell. Let's look at Trias in a nutshell. One pager. I also want to see, I want trustworthy and reliable, intelligent, autonomous systems. Okay. Trias is a full stack, decentralized, trusted cloud infrastructure and ecosystem for all scale, general purpose, and enterprise ready applications. With a fine and delicate design, a talented and solid team with top-notch academic and industrial background, a complex of enterprise products and solutions, and a sophisticated and sustainable token economy. Okay, that's a lot of interesting words. So this guy got his PhD degree in computer security from University of Oxford. Okay, so he seems like he knows his stuff. He seems like he knows what he's doing. So currently we're talking about Trias. It's Trias for those of you on TikTok who are watching. If you actually wanna if you actually wanna make if you actually want to like follow my YouTube channel like this that would be a lot better because I'm actually showing everybody the screen itself. So right now I'm liking the overall look of it. So first off, they're legit. I mean, they have their names on here, which I like. There's 70 plus team members, 50 plus engineers. They got 40 plus patents. I'm just trying to see. I'm just kind of reading this over. So far, I mean, I definitely like what they're doing so far. I mean, it seems like the token supply is really low. Um, but let's look at the token allocation. That's always important. So marketing 3%, mining 30, early supporter 10, team 10. So honestly, they haven't really they 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 gave out the coins pretty well, I would say. My YouTube channel is jgash, by the way, jgash on YouTube. It's in my TikTok description. So roadmap, let's look at this. So they've been around since 2016. So where are we right now? We are in 2021. 2020, the mainnet is launched. 2.0 mainnet. The Magna Carta 1.0 and Trias 3.0 testnets launched. It's on KuCoin. So it basically wants people to trip. I'm going to do a Trias versus ETH speed test demo. Hopefully this doesn't break my computer. There's been quite a few transactions on the network itself. Um, is it? I'm kind of a little confused on what I thought this was like. Can I look at like any block, or is this just like Trias? Huh. You get a wallet. They have a working wallet so far. Trias testnet wallet. it definitely seems like well, one, I would say that it's a legit team. I like what they're doing. It seems like a really cool token. The main thing is it seems like they won't actually scam you, which is like the main thing that I'm against in cryptocurrency. Like obviously this is a moonshot. It only has a $25 million market cap, which is incredibly low. So even if it was to just get to a $100 million market cap, it would do it 4 times, which are doing now like very quickly. So in my opinion, I I definitely wouldn't go against this coin. I mean, it seems pretty awesome. So um, I'm definitely not against it whatsoever. Whatsoever. It looks pretty cool to me. So, okay. I spent a lot of time on that one. 70 engineers, depending on the country, is over 1 million a year in cost. I don't buy it. I mean, it could be they're working in good faith on the Trias token. That's the thing. I mean, 70 engineers does seem like a lot, but I don't know. Something about it seems legit to me. I mean, they have a GitHub, which is always good. So if you look at GitHub for any of my programming people out there, you could actually see the work they're doing on GitHub itself, which makes it even more transparent. So currently we're looking at Trias, so it's Trias. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't. Um, I would definitely check out Trias. I mean, I don't want to spend too much time on one token, but like what I'm looking at right now is everything's leading in the right direction for it, in my honest opinion. So I'm definitely not a hater. Definitely not a hater of this token. Okay, let's look at the chat and let's see what we could talk about next. NFT Tone. I don't really do NFTs. Is that? I mean, I could check it out. What is this? Let's see. Tone is a decentralized and social NFT marketplace driven by the community where you can turn your songs, music, performances, or tones into unique NFTs and win prizes. Okay, that's pretty cool. Um, is there a coin? I don't even see a coin. NFT Tone. Is it just the website itself? The Birth of Tone. They don't have a white paper yet. I don't like that they don't have a white paper, so I personally want to invest in I personally want to invest. It launched yesterday. I mean, wait until the white paper's out. The team is transparent from what I mean. They just give their first name. Jeremy and Matt didn't want to even show their faces, so I don't know how I feel about that. A lot of people are talking about NFT Tone. A lot of people are talking about NFT Tone. Yeah, so that's a good. I mean, if you have like legit engineers, that would cost millions and millions of dollars. So, talking just going back to Trias token, but yeah, NFT Tone. No, I don't. Nope. That's a no from me. That's a no from me, folks. NFT Tone. I mean, yeah, they could show themselves on camera. Okay, doesn't necessarily mean they have a good product. I don't know. It just came out yesterday. I like to wait a little bit. And there's everybody was talking about NFT Tone. I don't know. I would don't. Why is everybody saying these must all be bots or something? Want me to talk about? Yes, I could talk about RSR. I could definitely talk about RSR. RSR. All right, guys, buckle up. So here's Reserve Token, the project about Reserve, current investors, our vision. So let's look at current investors first because I have told everybody how Peter Thiel and Coinbase are invested in RSR. So Sam Altman is the president co-founder of Y Combinator. He's the co-chairman at OpenAI, which, for those of you who don't know, OpenAI is one of the largest open source platforms for artificial intelligence. That's big time. Coinbase Ventures. So Coinbase is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the entire world, and they are invested in it. So that should definitely tell you something about RSR. In my personal opinion, it it's going to get listed on there. It's going to get listed on there. Peter Thiel, the co-founder of PayPal, and look at all these other investors. Like, I mean, I just mentioned these two because they're like they're a huge deal. But Sam Altman's a huge deal as well. But a lot less people would know him. Look at all these investors. Like the list just goes on and on and on. So now let's do about. I mean, you want to see our vision. So let's talk about that. So by the way, everybody on TikTok, I'm currently live streaming on YouTube. So if you want to check me out on there, that would be highly appreciated. I'm interacting with the chat on there just to make things a little bit easier. So yeah. Okay. So RSR. So like I've said before, it deals with inflation rates in countries that have incredibly high rates of inflation. So, as you can see, they start off in Venezuela, which apparently is at 4 million% per year. It's crazy. Now, these are less so. They seem a lot less dramatic than Venezuelan dollars or whatever they're called. But these are still incredibly high. So imagine if you keep your money in the bank for a year, it's going to be worth 100% less than what it was a year ago. So, I mean, personally, this in itself shows you that they're looking at like real world issues, which I love. So, I don't want to read all of this, but basically, I'm trying to find like key points in here. I mean, I could speak to this. It's just I'm trying to find the best protocol itself. I just want to find. Okay. So background, so the tokens. So there's reserve rights. So there's a reserve token, which is the stable coin. You don't want to buy RSV. This is going to be the one that's pegged at the US dollar. RSR is the one you invest in because it's used to facilitate the stability of the reserve token, which is RSV. So they are using RSR as a stabilization protocol. How the reserve token is stabilized. So if demand goes down for the reserve token, prices are expected to fall. So let's say it goes to $98. It will be incentivized to buy it up and redeem the reserve smart contract for $1 worth of collateralized tokens, which is basically RSR. So, yeah, that's all. I mean, this is all kind of complicated. I mean, I don't know if you want me to talk about all of this. But yeah, I mean, just looking at this, I mean, if you guys want to look at the white paper, the ethics, like their principles, like what they're trying to create right here is like absolutely amazing. Their investors are out of this world. I mean, Peter Thiel invested in like Facebook early, so if you want like a good solid coin that's still low in market cap, then RSR is definitely a good choice for sure, everybody. And it's on sale right now. The price lowered a lot, so definitely check it out. I know I would. So we've been on live for about an hour now, guys. This is awesome. Okay, we're still live on TikTok as well. Any other questions? Um, let's see what we got going on. Did I miss any questions? SHIB. I don't like SHIB. I mean, it's a meme token. I don't invest in memes, so I personally wouldn't do it. You know what? What I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to look at the Safe Moon. Let's do it. Everybody keeps talking about Safe Moon, and maybe I was wrong about it. And I will admit if I'm wrong about something. So why is the crypto Safe Moon trending? Why are people talking about it? What is Safe Moon? Let's go on their website. Let's check out everything. Why is it blowing up right now? Let's go into it. So let's go on their website. Let's check out the market cap right now. Do you think it will go to a penny, guys? So right now the market cap is at $5 billion. So look at where it spiked. So when a lot of people were talking about it, it was right around here. Now it's kind of been crabbing. Then it did a little pump over here, and then it's been crabbing again. That's what this coin likes to do, people. So in the past 7 days, look, it's kind of stable. It doesn't really stay, like it kind of stays in one place. So by the way, if you're in TikTok, if you're from TikTok right now, go to my YouTube. I'm streaming on YouTube at JGash, so check me out. A lot of good content on there. Subscribe if you want. I actually want to check something out real quick. How many, before I get into Safe Moon, I just want to check some things out, guys. If you wouldn't mind, if you guys could oblige me real quick. So we got 371 subscribers. Let's get to 400 subscribers tonight, guys. Come on. I pumped dumb Safe Moon. Never thought it had the second spike. Yeah, I mean, so what I love about this coin is right now it's sitting at a $5 billion market cap. Like that's kind of crazy. I mean, let's look. It's based off the Binance Smart Chain, so apparently you could get it off Gate.io, PancakeSwap. Other websites have it as well, such as Bitmart. A lot of people use the app Bitmart to buy cryptocurrency tokens. I personally never have. Oh, Nomadic Fanatic sticker. So you're on my YouTube channel right now. So there's actually a video that shows you how to buy ERC20 tokens off Uniswap, where you could get RSR. So check it out. And guys, if you're from TikTok, right, I'm talking to you guys on TikTok, go to my YouTube channel. I'm streaming live on there right now at JGash. So check me out live on YouTube. We got 22 viewers on here right now. JGash on YouTube, everybody. Check it out. So streaming on there. Okay, let's keep going. So Safe Moon. Okay, so looking at the charts already, you can tell it pumps. I mean, it's only been around since March. Doesn't mean you can't make money off coins like this. So it pumps over there. Why is Safe Moon trending? So Portnoy is apparently saying that he bought 40K in Safe Moon. So he said his shitcoin announcement. Invest at your own risk. I have no idea how this works. So already David's saying that like it's just a crappy coin or whatever. Like he doesn't really know what's going on. Like he's investing at his own risk, and he threw 40K in, which honestly for him probably isn't too much money. So it's creating a March. So basically, the whole purpose of the coin is to benefit holders who invest in a coin through bad times and good. So basically, I think there's like if you sell the coin early, that you get charged a lot, like 10% or something with Safe Moon. So I mean, you know what? I'm still gonna stand by what I said. First off, the website they have a chart on it. Look at this. Look at this. It's community driven. So you guys are holding each other up to keep the price up, right? I stick by what I said about Safe Moon. This looks like garbage. They're saying right here that I mean, the price is going to go up because you're supporting one another. I mean, they're not saying it necessarily outright, but look at this. I mean, yeah, they burned all their tokens. Great. They're bragging that they're on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap and Binance Scan. Like these are literal things that anybody could do. Like this is nothing. Like any coin could do this. It's nothing. Nothing that is extraordinary to me. Oh, guys, I'm bragging that I'm on CoinGecko. You know how many coins are on CoinGecko? Thousands. Thousands of garbage coins on CoinGecko. And everybody keeps telling me, oh, Jay Gash, you're wrong about SafeMoon. Look at this garbage. Check out the website. Seriously, take a look at it and tell me what you think. I mean, like guys in the chat, tell me what you think about the SafeMoon website. Do you like it? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Tell me what you think. Personally, it's guard. What? Oh, so in Q4 2021, to the moon. To the moon. That's where they're going. To the moon. We will finish the SafeMoon exchange in our charity project. Oh, they're doing charity now. Now all the scam coins that are that talk about like a lot of the scam coins say they donate to charity. I personally I don't invest in coins that talk about donating to charity either. No, there's no white paper. Like somebody said on TikTok. By the way, if you're on TikTok, check out my YouTube channel. I'm live streaming on there as well. So check it out. I'd really appreciate the love on there because I'm trying to kick off the YouTube channel. Yeah, it's just a pump and dump scam. Look at this. Okay, so currently, okay, they're showing their names, which okay, the actual developers, they have their real names. That's cool. I'm not a fan. I mean, it's on Newsweek, the Wall Street Journal. What did Newsweek say about SafeMoon? That community testing plans? Okay, that means nothing if it was on Newsweek because everybody's talking about SafeMoon. It's the next pump and dump. I mean, markets. I mean, I don't even know what to look at with these guys. I mean, I'm not saying charity is a scam necessarily, but like whenever a cryptocurrency talks about donating to charity, it's usually code for hey, like we want you to feel good about buying our coin because we're donating to charity. But in reality, we're in reality they're the ones they're probably not even donating to charity half the time, honestly. I don't know. I don't know why you guys are like Safe Moon's the future or whatever. Like, usually, if anybody's been here the stream since like the beginning, like we're looking at like coins with like real use case. Like, let's look at this website. Like one of the most beautiful websites I've ever seen for a cryptocurrency is Cardano's. Cardano has like one of the most beautiful websites. So let's check out Cardano's website and let's look at Safe Moon's and tell me what you like more. Tell me what you like more. Tell me like what you like more. This has real, like not yeah. The information's boring on Cardano's website, but it's real, and that's what you need to see. That's what you need to see when you're investing in cryptocurrency. You can't be investing in the memes. I mean, David Portnoy even invested in stupid SafeMoon, and the coin didn't even pump today. Like everybody's talking about how he's invested. Look at it. It's down. It's down today. Look at this. It's the volume's down 20%. Like now it's up 1% because it moves so quickly. Okay, the volume's down 20%. That's not a good indicator. It's garbage. It's absolute garbage to me. I mean, I I would never invest in it. I stick by that. You guys could quote me on that. No matter how high it goes up, I don't care. In my opinion, it's a shit coin, and get it out of here. That's what I say honestly. I don't agree with it. I think it's a stupid concept. Don't care. Is Link a good buy? Yeah. Link was even a better buy a couple days ago, though. It really dropped down and then it came back up. My portfolio is pretty happy today. So I'm very happy about that. Space Penguin, don't even ask about that. That sounds like absolute garbage, too. Um, what else are we? Any other questions? 1inch. Let's talk about 1inch. So I love 1inch. I love 1inch token. And a lot of people actually. A lot of people actually got a lot of free 1inch tokens if they were on their exchange early enough. So currently it's trading at $5. If we look at the chart all time, yeah, okay, so it was at $1 in January and now it's at like 5.20. So look at this growth, everyone. It hasn't been around long, which I mean, in this case, I think it's okay because 1inch is a very legit project. So I mean, it's a decentralized exchange that's like similar to like Uniswap. I love what they're doing. Like, look at the website. Like, look how beautiful it is. Like, it is like it's like let's launch the DApp. Let's launch it up. You guys want to see? You guys want to see what a DApp is? So this is basically a decentralized app. Look how beautiful this is. One. Now this is a working product. This is something that you should actually buy. And this has a lot of potential. I mean, right now we look at the market cap, it's still low. And 1inch is similar to Uniswap. You guys want to know what Uniswap token did? So I was given 400 free Uniswap tokens because I was using Uniswap before like September. They gave like 400 free of them. You can look it up. Look at the market cap for Uniswap right now. It's 19 billion. $19 billion. Let's look at 1inches. It's only 800 million. So that means from this point on, if we round it up to $1 billion, its market cap, 1inch could easily do it 20 times if it does the same thing that Uniswap token did. In my opinion, it's a great purchase. Look at this thing. Look how beautiful it is. Like you could swap tokens for it very easily. Like you could pick how much ETH you wanted. Like I could connect my wallet if I wanted to. I'm not going to connect it right now. And it has a bunch of different tokens on there. You could pick like any multitude of tokens. Like look at this. Like you could pick all kinds of different ones. Look, you could probably even get maybe you could even get RSR on there. Look at that, guys. You could get RSR on. So let's see. Like if I wanted to do ETH for let's say RSR. Look at this. Boom. I connect my wallet. I save $29. This saves you money by finding the maximum return here. 1inch is fantastic. This is one of the best coins out there in my opinion with the highest potential of growth. 1inch personally, I think could like honestly make make people rich. That's my opinion. Guys, if you're on TikTok, by the way, I'm currently streaming on YouTube, so check me out on YouTube. It's JGash on YouTube. So we got 24 people on YouTube right now, so we've been pretty consistent with the viewership. That's awesome. Getting a lot of new subscribers, which is cool. But yeah, so what do you guys think about 1inch? Do you like my description about it? Do you like see what I mean about like a working product, an actual idea? Like this is like saving you money. Like you could look for the lowest gas costs, right? You could save $400 by using 1inch. I mean, you could look at like the different things that they're trying to do. They're they connect several different decentralized exchanges to one, so you save the most money. So it's like Uniswap, but better. So Salvatore is giving me the thumbs down. Why don't you like Uniswap? Why don't you like Uniswap? I mean, 1inch. 1inch could probably actually. I mean, I personally would invest in 1inch. I wish I got the free ones, but I didn't use it before to when they took the snapshot to give free tokens. Yeah, I definitely think 1inch has a ton of potential. I think it like look at these tokens. So for example, like tokens that actually have like like Binance, right? Binance token. Like Binance token's expensive, but look at the growth of this coin. I remember when this coin was trading around here at 94 cents. Now it's at 500. 500 bucks, guys. And like this is like a centralized exchange. The decentralized exchanges are the future of crypto. I mean, look at what these kind of tokens could do. It's unbelievable, in my opinion. Somebody asked me to do internet computer. Um, I don't know too much about it. So let's dive into it. So it's on Binance right now, which is a good sign. What about Shiba? You put 5K in. Probably kiss your money goodbye. I didn't avoid NFT Tone. I went on the website and everything. It looked like trash. They don't even have a working product. They don't have a roadmap. They don't have anything. They don't have a white paper. No, thank you about NFT Tone. No, thank you. By the way, if you're from TikTok, check me out on. If you're from my man said, "Kiss your money goodbye." Yeah. So if you want to check me out on YouTube, that's cool. I would appreciate that. I'm on YouTube right now at JGash. So yeah, I'm streaming on YouTube where you can actually see my screen and everything. So check me out. Appreciate all the love. Do Shiba Inu. Oh, okay, fine. Fine. I'll do Shiba Inu. Fuck internet computer right now. I gotta do Shiba. I'm gonna rip it up. I'm gonna rip it apart. Just hold up, guys. Shiba. I never said Shiba looked good. Not once. If you no, not for XRP, for Shiba. Okay. Let's go on their website. Honestly, when the website first popped up, I thought it said shit token, not Shiba token. So, oh, let's read our wolf paper. So, would you, if you were investing in a business, if you were if you're an investor and you walk into the conference room, right? And they say, "Let's look at our wolf paper." Ha ha ha. What would you think? What would you think? Would you take them seriously? Would anybody take you seriously with this? I'm asking a genuine question in the chat. If you're investing when you invest in Shiba, you're investing in them and their business. At first glance, would you take this seriously? Like, what do you think? Give me your honest opinions in the chat. If you see this website, personally, looks like garbage domain. Shiba Swap, fun tokens, artist incubator, growing 400K community, and more on the horizon. Let's read their fucking wolf paper. Why decentralization? All of cryptocurrency is decentralized. There's nothing new about it. Our background. We believe through the power of collective decentralization, we could build something stronger than a centralized team could ever create. A community run token is nothing without its united individuals who give it purpose. Look at what they say in the white paper. Never take a white paper seriously that says the Sheep Army. So if you guys were here from the beginning of the stream when we were looking at like Cardano's white paper, right? We were looking at all kinds of like different white papers and everything. You saw like the complicated terminology in this. This says, I mean, it's garbage. I don't even want to read it anymore. Ecosystem, how to buy. Look, it's a dog in a moon in an astronaut suit. I mean, yeah, you can make money off meme tokens, but in all honesty, guys, like, don't you want to invest in something that'll actually like you could hold onto for years and like actually make money off it? It's so stupid. I mean, it looks like an absolute garbage website to me, and that's just my opinion. Yeah, yeah. Like it's just like yeah, your nephew wrote. That's like your nephew wrote this. Honestly, like it's just how could you take this seriously? Like you want to put your hard-earned money into a website like this? It's just, I mean, just look at this guy. He took off the leash. He has FUD over here. He has FUD tattooed. So he has a meme tattooed on his arm. You want to invest your hard-earned money into this? That's fine. That's why I don't invest in meme tokens, guys. I don't invest in it. It's clownish. I think it's stupid. I'm talking about Shiba Inu for anybody who just joined. It's clownish. It's stupid. In my opinion, it's just bad. It's just bad for everybody. You can make money off it, but in my opinion, I want to hold something and maybe I could pass it on to my kids even if it like I don't know. If you want my honest opinions, if you invested in sheep, I think you made a mistake. I'm not saying you can't make money, but yeah, that's what I think. So I hope I explained it to everybody from TikTok who always questions me why I think that about Shiba token. And if we look at any of the garbage tokens, I mean, these people literally sent coins to Vitalik, the creator of Ethereum, just to make it look more like they're a more legit coin. Like, oh, we sent our coin supply to Vitalik. He's never going to sell them. And then he burns them all. He donates them, whatever he did with it. It's stupid. I mean, if you want to play around with it or whatever, that's fine. But in all honesty, like I personally would never put my hard-earned money in there. That's just me. Generational wealth, baby. That's what I'm all about. So yeah, let's talk about helium. I like helium. I'm actually talking. So helium token. I like helium. I'm trying to actually get a sponsorship from them. I want to. I'm trying to get in talks with some of their hardware suppliers. So that'd be pretty cool. Oh, you want me to look at Yummy? You asked me first, Matt. Let me look at Yummy first. So Yummy coin. I feel like I looked at this already. I did. I look at so many coins. I forget about them. So Yummy. Oh, I remember this. Um, it's a crypto faucet. Uh, mm, okay, like I said already, we plan to create three marketplaces: charity marketplace, merchandise marketplace, and NFT marketplace. Okay, so I mean, I'll look into it more. I'm gonna go on their website. Okay, again, they have a astronaut on their website. I mean, okay, first off, it's a dog with a pizza. Every time a trade is done with Yummy, it's donated to charity. What did I say, guys? I don't invest in coins that do charity. By the way, if you haven't already, check out my YouTube channel on TikTok. Everybody, TikTok people, I'm talking to you. I'm live streaming on YouTube as well right now. We got 27 viewers in there, so check me out. We're live right at the moment, so I'm Jay Gash on YouTube. You'll actually be able to see the websites I'm looking at. Hey, congrats on losing your virginity, bro. I'm proud of you. Okay, so yeah, Yummy token right off the start, I wouldn't invest in it. That's just my opinion. Wouldn't do it. So, yeah, I mean, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about Yummy token? I mean, Matt, why do you like Yummy? There's a dog with a pizza. I think it's cute. Doesn't necessarily mean I would put my money into it, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I personally wouldn't invest in it. I mean, give me your opinion in the chat, guys, about Yummy. Talk to me about Yummy, guys. I'm on YouTube, by the way, for everybody on TikTok. I just went on a complete rant about Safe Moon. Alex Christensen. Yeah, no problem, Matt. No problem. And if you guys haven't already, check out my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Anybody who's watching me right now, please subscribe. I'm going to be going live a lot. I'm going to be talking about all the coins. Charity is feeding children. I'm not saying charity is a bad thing. I'm talking about crypto coins that are donating to charity. Why do I care? If I'm investing in something, why do I care if they give to charity? Honestly. Jake Paul backs Yummy token. So Jake Paul basically talked to, so he's the one promoting it. So he has his own like pump and dump for Yummy. Is that why it's big? but it doesn't have any like real technology or anything, and it's like looks like complete garbage. But Jake Paul backs it. I mean, I don't know. I personally wouldn't do it. That's just my opinion. Thoughts on Vechain current price at 16 cents? Mm, what to do next? Oh, I was gonna do Helium. Okay, let's do Helium. So people powered networks. So basically, what Helium's trying to accomplish is that it's basically like power to the people almost. They give people these HNT miners that you could buy online. I know they're like completely out of stock right now, and you connect your Helium miner to your internet connection, and then it provides internet to people in a decentralized manner. So all the Helium miners are talking to each other. They're like routers basically. So they're trying to keep out the middleman from like telecom companies and everything. I think it's a really cool concept. I'm trying to get Helium miner. A lot of people are making a lot of money with these things, so I think it's an awesome concept. I think it could really blow up if people actually start using the network and everything. So yeah, that's my personal opinion on it. That's what I think. Um, I like H&T for sure. For sure, I like H&T. Should you keep holding Doge? I talk about the meme coins. I mean, you could possibly make money off meme coins, but I don't invest in them, so I don't put my money into them. By the way, if you're on TikTok right now, I am currently live streaming on YouTube, so check me out on YouTube at jgash. Thank you, everybody. Sorry if I don't get to your questions on TikTok. I'm currently trying to talk to the chat on YouTube, so if you want me to answer any of your questions, look at YouTube. So check out YouTube if you want to, see the screen that I'm sharing right now and everything. Trying to provide the best content I possibly can. I'm talking about a lot of cryptocurrencies. So if you want to check me out on YouTube, it's jgash. It's in my TikTok description. Check me out, please, so we could keep going from there. Okay, so Bitcoin SV. Let's look at Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV is the original Bitcoin. Okay. Um, it's currently trading at $277. Actually, I don't like CoinDesk. I'm gonna go on CoinMarketCap. Oh, so basically, what happens is I don't know the exact um, intricacies of a coin hard fork, like Bitcoin hard forking, but basically the network had to they had to create an entirely new coin based off Bitcoin from Bitcoin SV. The market cap's currently at $5.1 billion. I personally wouldn't invest in it, but I mean, you could probably make money off it. Like, how's it been doing all these years? It doesn't even look like you can make much money off it. Honestly, it doesn't really fluctuate too much. I mean, in like 2019, it was pretty low, but I mean, it kind of has been crabbing even through the bull market. I mean, it went up a little bit to like 400, so that's decent. But I don't know. I personally wouldn't invest in Bitcoin SV. Mm, Which miner would I recommend? I personally don't mind, so I couldn't give you accurate information off that. Vechain is awesome. Actually, I just read some news on Vechain, so thank you for asking me about Vechain. I know a lot of people have been asking me about Vechain. I've been trying to get to it. But I believe today was one of the first actual, there was like a trash collection or something, and it was like the first verifiable like it was like verified from the blockchain through the VeChain technology, like this trash or something, or like these recyclables. It was really cool. I found the article before, and I really liked it. So I think VeChain is one of like the best cryptocurrencies out there. The market cap for VeChain is decently high. It's at $10 billion, and it seems like it's been moving quite a bit recently. But it doesn't mean it doesn't have some steam in it. I'm personally not invested in VeChain, but I think it's definitely a good pick for people. It's actually like doing things. It has a working product for one, and it's a good working product. They have a lot of different partners and everything. So overall, I think it's great. Overall, I think it's a great coin. I would highly recommend VeChain. I mean, we could even check out the website and everything. So let's go on vechain.com. Okay, so it's in like a different language. Let me see if I go on .org will that be in English. I mean, if you look at this, I mean, this website, I mean, it's not funny. There's no memes on here. It's all legit. I'm not gonna play the video so I can get copyright striked. But I mean, application hub documentation. There's a whole bunch of information on VeChain bounty program. So like they're paying people if they find bugs. This tells you basically about the features. It tells you about the proof of authority. So how the whole VeChain network works, the economic model, how there's two different coins for VeChain and VeChain Thor. It's an awesome coin. So yeah, I would check that out, guys, for sure. I would check that out. CELR. I don't know what that is. CELR. Um, so it's currently on. Okay, let me look on CoinGecko. So it's currently at 0.07 cents. The market cap is at 400 million. The circulating supply is pretty high, but it doesn't necessarily seem like a bad thing. It's ranked 156. In the past year, it's up 2,700%. It's on Binance, which is a good sign. Now, I'm not saying there aren't bad tokens on Binance, but usually um, it's definitely like a good indicator for sure. So let's check it out. Let's check out their website. What is Celer trying to do? Let's look at their Medium. Do they have a Twitter? I don't see Twitter. Am I missing it? Oh, Twitter. Okay. Guys, if you haven't already, follow me. Actually, before I get into it, so everybody on TikTok, if you haven't already, please watch my YouTube stream. I'm streaming on YouTube right now, so check it out. I appreciate all the love and support. Currently, we're at 382 subscribers. If we could run it up to 400 quickly, that would be absolutely insane. I really appreciate all the love and support from everybody. So thanks. So Celer currently has 51 followers on Twitter. Okay, that's a lot actually. That's actually quite a bit. So it's bringing mass adoption to the blockchain via layer 2 scaling. Mainnet is live. Telegram. Okay. Okay. I don't know what layer 2 finance is. Open source Lyra mainnet launched. Technology partnership. These are the kind of things I look for. So right now the website's looking kind of cool. They have like a bunch of different articles about Celer and like who they're working with, strategic partnerships. I'm trying to go through this quickly. Apparently, adding Celer Layer 2 scalability of Polkadot. So they're partnering to develop advanced Layer 2 scalability to the Polkadot ecosystem. So that's kind of cool. Let's look at the partners. So they're working with Mix Marvel, Maker, Neo. So it seems like they're working with a lot of different coins, which looks interesting. They're working with Chainlink. Just because a coin says they're working with someone, though, doesn't necessarily mean they are. So you always have to be skeptical about that. And I still kind of don't understand what they're trying to do because I've been going through it really quickly. But it definitely seems like it has good potential. Let's look at the developers. File not found. Ooh, okay. Partnership, community. Let's look at community. The Celer network at DevCon 5. Okay, so that looks promising as well. I mean, honestly, it seems like a decent token. I wouldn't say anything bad about it so far. I would have to learn more about what layer 2 projects are, honestly, because I'm not too exactly sure about that. And I'm not going to go into depth about that right now. But honestly, like it could do well. What's Updog? Updog? What about Updog? Updog? It's probably a meme token. I already talked about Shiba. If you join my YouTube live stream, I mean, you guys could watch my YouTube live stream after the fact, or you could bounce around. I talked a lot about Shiba. So Updog hasn't even been updated in 11 hours. Currently, the market cap is at 5 million. It's on Pancake Swap. Um, what are they trying to do here? So we got 28 viewers right now. Welcome everybody for joining. So Doggy Graham contest, crypto. Okay, they got 24 followers. No, nope, nope, nope. I am not even gonna bother with that. Any other suggestions? No, I don't like it. I wouldn't put my hard-earned money into it. At first glance, just looking at it. Guys from TikTok, if you want to ask me any questions, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe and ask the questions on YouTube. I'm answering all the questions from there. So if you want to support me on YouTube, that'd be fantastic. I appreciate all the love and support you guys give me. Crypto lending thoughts. I've looked into it. I haven't. I mean, I've looked into it like a little bit, not too much. So I guess since nobody's asking me questions on YouTube, I could answer some TikTok questions. So, hey everybody, what kind of questions we got? Oh, somebody just asked something on YouTube. I'll answer a couple questions on here. B Pro, never heard of it. I'm holding the phone right now just so you guys can get some of my attention too. I'm giving all the love to the YouTube people. Um, MetaMoon, Aave. Let's look at the. A lot of people have asked me about Aave. I'll look at the Aave. Okay. Let's look into Aave. Aave token price. Let's look at this. It's on Coinbase, CoinGecko. Currently, it's trading at $600. Let's look at the chart this year. Bada bing, bada boom. It was at 40. Now it's at wow. I heard about Aave back then too. Crap. I should have invested. Oh well. It's a decentralized finance protocol. I really like decentralized finance. If you guys watch me a lot, you know that I talk about decentralized finance a lot. So Aave means ghost and finish. It was originally known as ETHLend when it launched in 2017, but the Aave happened in 2018. Also, I'm pretty sure that Aave works with Chainlink, so I already like them. They're ranked 24 right now. The market cap's at about $7.5 billion, which it still gives a lot of growth. How do you think the China is going to affect the market? I'm not sure about that. Lent has migrated to Aave at a rate of 100 Lent per one Aave. I mean, if you look at the website, like obviously this is a legit project in my eyes. Like it's like a no-brainer. So Aave provides liquidity pools basically. You could provide liquidity for any one of these tokens, and then you'll actually receive yield on it. So, for example, like DAI, if you deposit it, you'll get 5.25% APR, that kind of thing. So it's pretty cool. It's a great concept. They work on the Chainlink protocol as well, just letting you all know. So you guys know how much I love Chainlink. And what do you think about RSR and Flash? If you're asking me that, you already know on TikTok. If you know I love them both. I love Flash and RSR. I already talked about RSR. today as well. Um, so yeah, I mean, Aave is a great coin. I would invest in Aave. Honestly, I really would. There's a lot of potential. They have a working product. A lot. They have a lot of partnerships. They have a nice website. It's easy to use. So I would recommend Aave. I saw a couple of people talking about MetaMoon, so I could answer that. I could for sure answer that. So let's look at Twitter, CoinMarketCap. So everybody, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's at JGash on YouTube. It's in my TikTok description. This is going to be the last coin I'm talking about for the day. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to be live streaming again tomorrow, so make sure you're subscribed to get the notification. Click the bell if you like watching my live streams. It's JGash on YouTube. I talk all about cryptocurrency and basically answer anybody's questions here on YouTube. I'm going to be streaming on YouTube from now on. So please, if you like the content and you like what I'm doing, like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment as well. So yeah, I really appreciate everybody right now. I'm going to be talking about my last token of the day. It's MetaMoon. So let's get straight into it. Let's go straight into it, guys. NFT SafeMoon, Sheep, and Cole. So this is like the shit coin Trinity. This is what it looks like. The shitcoin Trinity. MetaMoon. I mean, uh, what are they trying to accomplish? New website with a nice, chic, and modern design. Listing MetaMoon on Coinbase, CoinGecko. Developing our market strategy. Building a strong international community. Launching our NFT market early June. Let's look at their Twitter. Tokenomics equals SafeMoon plus Shiba Inu. So it basically takes shitcoin number one and shitcoin number two, and they make a love child, and that's what MetaMoon is. It's garbage. I I would want nothing to do with it. It takes two shitcoins and it makes one big disgusting baby out of it. So everybody, if you enjoyed the live stream, can we get like a yes or a thumbs up in the chat? Let me know what you think. Um, if you guys want to support me on YouTube, subscribe. I'm going to be going live a lot. I'm going to create a schedule on there. So thank you everybody. Thank you everybody who joined. I appreciate all of you. Everybody from TikTok, if you want to, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm going to be going live a lot. And yeah, so I'm going to sign off for the night. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my night. I'm going to relax a little bit. And yeah, thank you everybody for all of the love and support you give me. Thank you for the follow. If you haven't already, follow me on TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link in my description. Thank you everybody. And have a great night.